Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. I told you to clean out your inbox because they're coming down the chute. All right, you all, we got another watch face to review. This one here is going to be by Prado, and I'm thinking he got down on this watch face. Let's check it out. What's up? Welcome back for another video, and today we got Prado back in the building, and this guy continues to excel in his craft. Bruno, continue to do what you do, my friend. This watch face simply looks awesome. Now, the name of the watch face is called Speedometer Tech. I'm liking the look. I'm loving the design of this one. In the always on mode, you're going to get your digital time, step status info. But when the watch face is on, here's where this watch face starts to look really good and the beauty of it starts to shine. I like the combination of colors. You're going to save some battery life with this one as well. But the combination that he brought together with this really makes this watch face stand out. In the center, here's what you get. Digital time, you get your step status info. You're going to be able to tap in and go into your weather. You're going to get your date, and you also get info on your heart rate, right? Now, at the bottom right here, I like that meter. It really gives this watch face some character. That's going to be your battery info. The one at the top is going to be for your step goal that you have completed for the day, and it is interactive. So if I tap here, yes, I can go in and get my status on my calorie, my heart rate, and I can go in and get my weather. Tap up here, I can go in and get my step status info for the week, which I thought looked really good, right? Now, what I'm liking about this watch face most of all, here's what set the whole watch face off to me. I like this color right here with the combination of the blue and the black. Goes well with those colors, right? But if I tap right here, I can set that to be whatever shortcut I want it to be, right? So let's say I want to change it. I double tap and I can change it to an alarm. So if I want it to be an alarm, now single tap, there's my alarm. So I thought this was definitely a good look for a watch face. I thought Bruno definitely put his foot in the kitchen sink in this one. But hey, at the end of the day, it's all about what you think. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one, and know that this watch face is affordable in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.